My name is Om, and let me introduce you to TrackIt, your smart scheduling solution powered by AI. Have you ever tried to learn something new but just couldn't because you didn't know where to start from? Or maybe based on your current situation and based on your goals, you want a roadmap to achieve something but you couldn't find anything because of lack of material out there. So you're struggling to start with it. Well, we have all been there. Maybe you're trying to learn a new language, maybe start a new hobby, or maybe you're someone who really isn't the best at planning. When we are starting something new, there's just one thing which we need, a plan perfectly tailored for us. Well, if you're also someone who's struggling with this, I have a surprise for you. Introducing to you TrackIt. TrackIt creates schedules and plans just for you so that whatever you want to achieve, whatever new thing that you want to start, TrackIt will help you with planning of it so that you would not waste any time looking around for resources to learn from where to start and you'll just simply get on with it. So let me give you a demo. On the website, you can go to the TrackIt AI and you're going to name your task. Maybe you want to learn Spanish. I want to learn Spanish because I'll be traveling. So I will just say I want to learn Spanish because I'm going to travel. And now I'll just say that I have time from 5 to 9 and I will just put the number of days as 7. I have 7 days to learn it. At the end of the week I should be able to do it. And I'll just say generate. Now it's generating a plan for me. And now you can see the plan is created. And you can see that it is saying to learn basic grammar and vocabulary to start with. It's going to tell me that hey, learn something from TV, you should be able to understand things from the subtitles, immerse yourself into the language, pick up the pronunciations as well. It is also telling me to learn some travel specific vocabulary, so that is good. It is also telling me to dine out in Spanish, ask for your directions and at the same time Spanish conversation practice. This way I will be actually practically ready to be in Spain, although I might not be the most affluent speaker of Spanish, but I know one thing for sure, that as much good as I can get in 7 days, TrackIt is making sure that I will be the best. Now as I'm happy with the plan and that it serves all my needs, I'm just going to simply add to the calendar and you can see the project over here. Now I can go to the calendar and see all the tasks, and you can see that with this whole task I have from 5 to 9 all the week covered. I can also create some other task. Let's say meet a friend, and maybe I'll just set it for the next day. And maybe the project is obviously going to be Spanish. I'll just say it's a meeting and I'll just hit save. So I'm meeting a Spanish friend, so I can also edit it. I can say meeting friend to learn more about Spanish and save it. The task is created. I can go to the projects and see all the projects which I have. At the same time I can see the analytics. So you can see as the week is going by, these are the tasks which I have. Already existing tasks were already there, but I have added 3 more tasks to it. Now total, you can see over here 120 minutes, that's 2 hours. Over here as well, you can see there's 3 tasks, there's 1 task, there's 2 tasks, so that you will be able to know how many tasks you have to do each day and how much time do you have to allocate for them. Now remember that we gave some tags to it. With the basis of those tags, you can create a good analytics about yourself. Now what you can see is that I have spent 5 tasks based on meetings, so I'm meeting a lot. I'm emailing few people. At the same time, I spend some time in researching and documenting, and some time in designing and coding as well. Based on priority, I have 3 tasks, high, medium and low, which is fine. And you can see 2 tasks are in progress and one is completed. Based on my tags, I could get this analysis too. Now over here you can see the projects and you can see all the task based analysis over here. So in the projects you can see that Spanish has been given 8 tasks, but at the same time Spanish also has around 900 minutes for it. Now in this week I can go and learn about Spanish. Now over here arts and craft does not have anything in this week, but I will get to the last week as well. And over here you can see that as we are going to meet a friend, an hour of it is also added. Now with that, I could also go in the last week and see that, well, I didn't do learning of any Spanish last week. I'll see about React. Have I been learning React? Yes, I have. Last week I did that. At the same time, art and craft, well, yes. I've also done art and craft last week too. This way, I have complete knowledge of what I have achieved in the last few days based on my projects, based on my individual tasks, which tasks are completed, which are not, and everything from my analytics too. This calendar will also give you notifications based on whatever you want to achieve, and based on whatever date you want to see, you can see all the tasks which are done or yet to be done. With this, you can be always on top of your task and whatever you want to achieve with TrackIt, so that you will not waste time in spending here and there about how to get started or where to get things going, and you'll just simply get with the task when TrackIt does the tracking and planning for you. That's all, folks. Thank you for watching this, and see you next time.